Hey everyone, my name is Len and you are very welcome on my channel. Today we're going to start unboxing my new dolls from the Monster Ball G3 collection. So a few days ago I got my package from the United States with my Monster Ball dolls and I couldn't be more excited about it because I think that the Monster Ball collection is the most successful out of all the G3 ones. My personal favorite from this collection is absolutely Cleo, and we are going to start our opening sessions with her. We have finally a different package, not the Scout Me Secrets one, because I'm kind of getting burned out of all those lockers. We have a plastic G3 packaging which has Monster High, Monster Ball, the name of the collection, and it has all the goals including this line right here. Behind we can also see art of Cleo and the other goals. I removed the plastic and we can see some details more. There's also a disco ball with Cleo's name right here, which says Cleo De Nile. Let's unbox her. I haven't unboxed this absolute beauty, and let's do a brief review of the doll. Cleo in this collection has absolutely long hair, like the longest hair I've ever seen on a doll, I believe. But she also has a full head of hair, like there's no bald spots, so props to that. Her hair is mostly blue, navy blue, but it also has some lighter strands and some golden strands. My first ever Cleo from Schools Out also has those strands, so it gives me kind of a flashback. Her hair is put into a high ponytail partly, and it is held by a golden accessory with some Egyptian symbols in it. Her earrings are also golden, and I'm loving the amount of gold in this doll because I was kind of lacking it in previous dolls. Her earrings are triangles and they also have some Egyptian symbols on them. Her makeup is mostly purple with some yellow eyeshadows, and her lips are pink with golden line. Cleo is wearing a necklace which is also golden, and it has 3 different stones. 2 of them are blue and 1 of them is reddish. Her belt is matching the necklace and it's also golden and it has a scarab on it. Cleo is also wearing a snake bracelet on her left arm. She's also wearing a golden ring on her right arm. Her dress contains 2 parts, and the first one is the one with the print. It's more of turquoise, orange, and blue. It has some golden dots all around it. The second part of the dress is more fluffy. It's not even. The behind of the dress is a bit longer than the front. It's see-through. It has some golden dots on it as well. Cleo is also wearing some sandals which have some ornament of a pyramid. They are also golden. They have Egyptian eyes on that, and the heels are actually black snakes. Now let's move on to the accessories that Cleo includes. And the first thing that she has is this head ornament. It's also golden. I'm pretty sure this thing represents the sun, and overall I think this looks very luxurious. And let's try to put it on Cleo's head. Okay, I'm not sure how this is supposed to work because like she already has a ponytail, but maybe it should go under it. Yeah, I don't think this works. This is the best we could do for now because I don't want to mess up her hairstyle. I think it's the part where you can switch off the accessories. It's either you leave her with her original hairstyle, either you put this on, but I'm not going to rebuild her whole hairstyle because I'm more of a cut them out of box and just keep them. That type of collector. Next up, Cleo has a bag which is also in a form of an Egyptian eye. It's pretty tough to open. It's navy blue and it has some golden details. The eye itself is turquoise. Cleo also has a small eyeshadow palette which you can open, and inside you can see a small mold of 3 different eyeshadows and a small brush. Cleo also includes a staff. It's also golden and it imitates a cobra, the king cobra, because this cobra has brown on the top of their head. The lowest part is navy blue, and it also has a diamond. For the party, Cleo has also prepared some cupcakes. The lowest row is some purple cupcakes, the top one as well, and the middle one is actually some blue cupcakes. And on top of each cupcake you can see a pyramid. You can rotate the whole thing, by the way. Cleo also includes as well a thing to grab the cupcakes, and you can actually open it a bit and grab something. Cleo includes a card, a postcard from the monster ball with all the other goals. This was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like under this video, leave a comment. This was 𝆪verse, and bye bye!